What's up, y'all? It's Mary. You watching Fina Eat, and we are back again in Fredericksburg, Virginia. Actually, at one of my favorite spots that I come on the regular, Fish and Grill. Okay, fried fish place over here on 208, aka Courthouse Road, across from the Dairy Queen. Last time I was here, a few days ago, waiter said that they have something new on the menu, some Korean dish. Okay, so we here to try it. I'm ready. I'm hungry. So let's go. I'm finna eat this. Finna eat this. Finna eat these. I'm finna eat this. So, two things that I love about here, besides, you know, their fish. I come for the fried fish and their hush puppies. Oh my gosh. I love like a sweeter hush puppy. Some places they're real like bland, you know. I like the sweetness, always crispy on the outside. Ugh, I love them. But their sides, their mac and cheese, oh my gosh. A lot of times I come, like if you come a little bit later, a lot of times they'll be out of the mac and cheese because a lot of people get it. But everything's good. Their coleslaw is really good. Mashed potatoes, their corn on the cob's always fresh. I love me a good sweet corn, you know, your nice yellow corn on the cob, some butter on it. Love it. Always good. And then their homemade desserts, okay? They have a banana pudding. Amazing. Their strawberry cake. Those are the two that I've had, but they have, sweet potato pie and chocolate cake right now as well. I come for the banana pudding. But you'll love them all. Yeah. My food's here. Travis is back. I'm excited. It smells so good. All right, Travis. What you got?
This is our bulgogi that we started serving about 4 days ago. It's a pound of ribeye steak, thinly sliced and marinated in a soy and sesame oil-based marinade. And then we saute it with onions and serve it over rice with chives. It's like one of my favorite things here. We're trying to get it on the menu.
Yeah.
And this is actually our last order of the day because everyone's been buying it.
That means it's good.
But we'll have it back next week.
Sounds good. It smells. It smells delicious.
It's really sweet, and really tender.
Yeah. You said it's marinated for
an entire day.
A whole day. Yeah. It smells like it was marinated for a whole day. All right. Thank you.
It's pretty soft.
Okay. When I say it smells good, this bulgogi smells amazing. I'm lucky enough to get the last one of the day, so that means it has to be good because it's been selling out. It's been selling out. Secret item, okay? It's not even on the menu. He said that this beef has been marinated for 24 hours, so I am ready for it to just, when you smell it, you can taste it. It's one of those kind of dishes. I'm ready to eat, so I'ma just dig in. And it's got the fluffy rice at the bottom. Okay, I'm trying to get a little of everything. I need an onion on it. I need some rice. There we go. I see this goodness right here. All right. Oh, I'm losing it. Okay, we gotta dig in. I'm finna eat this. Okay. This stuff is, this is good. This is really good. It is the kind of meat that's it's so tender and the flavors just melt on your tongue, okay? The rice is perfectly cooked. For this to be a seafood spot, this is definitely one of those secret hidden gems that's not even on the menu, right? So I'm letting you know that y'all gotta come try it. It's a Korean dish. You wouldn't think to come here for this, but you need to come here for this. Bulgogi. I'm not too fond of the name, but this bulgogi is amazing. Okay, so the bulgogi marinade is basically a soy and sesame seed sauce. All right, that's the bulgogi sauce that is marinated for 24 hours. Whole day, you can tell, like it really melts in your mouth. The meat is so tender. The only thing I can really compare it to is like the beef in the beef and broccoli. Kind of, sort of, not really, but that's the only thing I can really, because I'm not a Korean food expert, okay? I'm not, so I don't know much. I haven't tried much to compare it to, but, and I know beef and broccoli isn't Korean food, but that's just a comparison, okay? I'm ready to keep eating it though, so don't mind me. Okay, so just finished my bulgogi. Alright, and I know I tell you guys all the time that things are good and things are great, but honestly, this bulgogi is one of my top favorites that I think I've tried on this show. Okay, that's how good it is. When I say I'm already a regular here, okay, it's a seafood place. I love their fried chicken. Not fried chicken. I love their fried fish. Alright? Seafood, fish. I love their fried fish. And that's what I come for. But I honestly think I'm going to still come for the fish when I'm in the mood for fish. But I will be here twice the times, okay, coming for this bulgogi. Like, it is amazing. I will be back for this again and again. Okay, y'all really have to try it. It is not on the menu, so you have to ask for it. Okay, they don't know what you're talking about. Dessert though, told y'all I love some banana pudding. What I love about their banana pudding, I like the wafers. I love a good amount of vanilla wafers in my pudding. And as you can see, they do a good job with that. Okay, they do a very good job. And it's always freshly made, okay? They make it fresh all the time, every day. So, gotta give y'all a quick view of my dessert. I'm finna eat my banana pudding. You banana pudding fan? You gotta try it, okay? You love it. You love the wafers, always on point, always fresh. That's my video today, but I want y'all to make sure that you subscribe, comment, because I want to hear from you as well, some recommendations. If y'all know any other spots that have some hidden off the menu gems, I'd love to know about it. And ding the bell, because I've never had German food, okay? So I found this restaurant. It's a German restaurant. I can't pronounce anything on the menu, so I'm excited to try some German food. And there is a gas station that has popped up many places around Fredericksburg that claim they have great fried chicken. Anybody in Fredericksburg knows that Fast Mart's fried chicken is the great fried chicken. So we're gonna do some comparisons. So y'all gotta ding the bell so you know when it's coming. Besides that, I'll see y'all then. Love you. Stay tuned.